If you feel like there is a brightening body lotion every 5 business days in Nigeria, then you're not alone. But this one I'm going to tell you are just four viral brightening body lotions that would work on your skin no matter what. Okay, so if you want to know the 4 viral body lotions and if they are for your skin, okay, then you should watch this video from the beginning till the end. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy. To my returning subscribers, you are welcome. You are the real MVP. And if you are yet to subscribe, do not forget to subscribe so that this will not be the last time you will see this face on your screen. So with me here are 4 viral body lotions that contain powerful ingredients that would help to brighten up your skin this 2026. All I am in for is for you, yes, you, to glow up this year, okay? If you don't glow up this year, I will not be happy. That means I did not hit my goal and my target for 2026. So if you want to glow up, let's dive into that video. So the very first one I'm going to recommend for you, if you want to really glow up this year, is the ProLab Niacinamide and Alpha-Arbutin body lotion. From the name, okay, we have Alpha-Arbutin and we have niacinamide. Alpha-Arbutin helps to brighten up your dark spots, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, and give you that brighter looking skin that you're hoping to achieve. While the niacinamide focuses on getting rid of uneven skin tone and also supporting your skin barrier and also helping the Alpha-Arbutin to work hand in hand. I don't know if you understand what I just explained. So this particular body lotion contains 2 powerful ingredients which works hand in hand to make sure that your skin is not uneven, to make sure that your skin is uniform, your skin is the same color from the beginning till the end, from your head to your toe. Do you understand? Because in some cases, most people complain of uneven skin tone, on uniform skin tone. Their skin is not even. Okay, one of the biggest flex that I will say that I have is that my skin is even from beginning to the end. And in most cases, most people are not lucky that, their skin becomes even like this, or they get to use lots of products. If you know you don't have money to spend on using multiple products, then this particular body lotion will even out your skin tone perfectly because it contains the right ingredients for it to work. One thing I like about the body lotions that are coming out this 2026 is that they are so powerful, they contain the right ingredients and they work. And just in case you're wondering where you can shop these amazing body lotions and you don't want to buy the fake, because like I said, any product that is in the market has an original version and also a fake version. You are confused, you don't know where to buy, then I would advise that you get these products I'm going to be talking about in this video from Skintress Store. Their number will be displayed on the screen. Take a screenshot, DM them on WhatsApp, and get your body lotions or your skincare, authentic skincare products delivered to your doorstep. So the second one I'm going to be talking about is the Body Radiance Glutathione and Papaya. And just like the name says, glutathione and papaya. Now let's dissect it again. The glutathione would help to whiten up your skin, make sure that your skin is lighter. If you know you want to tone up your skin a bit, okay, you don't want to do too much, then this is the one that I would recommend for you because of the glutathione that it contains. While the papaya extract also helps to brighten up your skin. I use products that contains papaya extract, and let me tell you, it works. Okay, it works wonders. The papaya extract would help to brighten up your skin, make sure that your skin is uniform, get rid of hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, dullness of the skin, and give you that brighter looking skin that you've been hoping to achieve for the longest. So this glutathione and papaya, we work hand in hand to make sure that you achieve your skin goals when it comes to this year 2026. It also contains alpha-arbutin and vitamin C. Just check out this ingredient that it contains. The alpha-arbutin, like I already told you, will get rid of dark spot, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, make sure that your skin is glowy, and the vitamin C is an antioxidant that will brighten up your skin. So if you know you want to tone up your skin a bit, okay, you have been feeling that your skin has been dull, maybe because of the sun, too much sun exposure, and you're looking for that particular body lotion to get, this is the one that I would recommend that you get because it is going to tone up your skin a bit nicely, okay, not lighten up your skin. It's not going to lighten up your skin, it's just going to tone up your skin a bit. Bring out the real authentic radiance that is supposed to be on your outer surface, okay, and make sure that your skin appears glowy and radiant. Next one I'm going to still be recommending has to come from the Body Radiant, but this particular one is the Body Radiant Carrot Glow. It contains carrot extract, hyaluronic acid, ceramide, and alpha-arbutin. And the carrot extra that it contains focuses on brightening up your skin. Alpha-betaine will get rid of dullness, hyperpigmentation, black spots on your skin. The hyaluronic acid will make sure that your skin is not dry, ashy, or flaky. It will help to lock in moisture, the right places, and make sure that your skin is always moisturized. It also contains ceramide, which ceramide is that one ingredient that you need in your body care routine because it would help to make sure that your skin barrier is not broken. If your skin barrier is broken and you're using these body lotions, it might not work out for you. Okay. So if you know that you want to make sure that your skin barrier is on check, or your skin barrier is already broken, yet you want to glow up, then I will recommend that you go for the Body Radiance Carrot Glow because of the ceramide that it contains. I will make sure that your skin barrier is on check. Okay. It also contains good ingredients that would also make sure that your skin glows up. There are some of my clients that loves ingredient that contains carrot, and let me tell you, if you're part of those people that any product that contains carrot works for, this particular one will work for you. And then the last is the Maybel Radiance Brightening and Radiance Glow. This particular one caught my attention, and let me tell you people, I'm going to be trying out this particular one this 2026, so stay glued so that when I get it, I'm going to give my full review, my detailed review, and tell you how it worked for me. But before we do that, let's dive into what will make the particular one to work. The particular one contains vitamin C, kojic acid, tranexamic acid, and ferulic acid. One thing I like about it is that it contains that ingredient that some of these body lotions do not contain, which helps to get rid of hyperpigmentation and also brighten up the skin faster, which is tranexamic acid. Tranexamic acid helps to brighten up the skin, helps to make your skin to be more uniform, helps to make your skin glow up. If your target is to glow up before Christmas, get this body lotion. Let us start now, okay? Do not get it later and then say it did not work out for you. And another thing I'm going to tell you is that all these body lotions that I listed on this video are supposed to be used only in the night, okay? You're supposed to pair them with another body lotion, probably from Dove or E45 in the morning. Then at night, you go ahead to use them, okay? Because they contain powerful ingredients before I forget, okay? So this particular one contains kojic acid, which would also help to whiten up your skin. I want my skin, there's how I want my skin to be. And this is the one I'm going to be getting. So if you know you want your skin to be, before someone will see you, they've already seen you. I don't know how to explain the feeling, okay? Before you are being seen, you are seen, then this is the one that you should get. It also contains vitamin C and ferulic acid. And ferulic acid activates the vitamin C to work better because it's an antioxidant that also helps the vitamin C to be very, very effective on your skin. And trust me, okay? If you know you want to brighten up, endeavor to get products that contain vitamin C and tranexamic acid. They work wonders. And personally, for me, my skin loves vitamin C, so that is the reason why I'm going to be leaning towards getting this particular one. Okay, so if you know you're going to be my twin, leave a comment in the comment section telling me you're going to get the particular one, because I will get it very soon and I will drop a review on it. The Maybel Radiance also has the Maybel Radiance Glow and Nourishing Body Lotion, which that one is also very good. It would help to glow up your skin, brighten up your skin, and also, most importantly, nourish your skin. One thing I want to tell you before this video comes to an end is that you're going to be needing another body lotion that you're going to be using in the morning, which will be very mild, gentle, and just lock in moisture, which, like I already recommended, you can get something from Nivea, something from Dove, something from E45 that would help to make sure that your skin is moisturized in the morning. Then at night, this will be your treatment body lotions. Another thing I want you to know is that if your target is to brighten up in December, then let us go to Skin Stress Shop and shop these body products and start using them from now. You cannot want a good skin in December and then you have not started working towards it, and then remember to pair it up with a very good brightening body oil, either from Advanced Korea, either the Advanced Korea Brightest or the Advanced Korea Fairest, or Desire Vitamin C body oil, so that the result will be quicker. If you want the result to be faster and quicker, then pair it up with a brightening oil as well. And remember to use them only at night. And also remember that consistency and patience goes hand in hand when it comes to this product. If you start using them this month, okay, which is August, there is no how you're not going to be seeing good results before October. Trust me, you're going to see good results already. And then, like I said, consistency, you have to be consistent using it as you are supposed to use it, which is every night. And there you have it, my loves. These are my 4 best brightening body lotions of 2026 that I think everybody should have in their body care routine. Get one of these body lotions from Skin Trust Store, and trust me, your skin is going to be glowy and radiant. If you're at a particular point of the video, please remember to subscribe, like, share, turn the notification bell so you get notified once this girl drops a video here on YouTube. And leave a comment in the comment section telling me any of these body lotions that you're going to get, because I talked about it. And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.